In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer photos or videos from your Insta360 Luna Ultra to your computer. Okay, just to show you guys some of the test footage that I took, I'm going to swipe over from the left and I'm going to tap on the top left again. And right there are just two little test clips that I took. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the home screen. Okay, so I'm back here on home screen. So what you want to do is I've got this cable right here. It's a USB-C cable. I've got it attached to my Mac computer here. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to attach this USB-C into the camera. All right, so I need to release this extra battery grip. And then right here on the bottom of my camera, there's a USB slot. I'm going to go ahead and connect my cable. You'll hear a little beep, and now it's asking for a file transfer. You'll click on that because it's in USB mode. Okay, now here on my computer, right there under Untitled, that is my Luna Ultra. And then when you double click on it, it'll bring it up here. And then your files are in that folder right there that says DCIM. And that's how you access your files on there. So now when you're done importing your files or doing whatever it is that you need to do, you'll just click on quit. It prompts you to make sure that all your footage is transferred before disconnecting, so that way you don't lose your footage. You'll just click on confirm. And there you go. Now you're safe to remove the cable. And that's how you transfer your photos and videos from your Luna Ultra camera.